Hey guys, it's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and without further ado, I am basically delivering to you, hey bars, what the process is for me retightening my hair. I've basically broken the video down into 4 sections, but in this particular video, this is 3 sections. So I have it to where I am retightening, styling, and showing you what my retightening looks in different areas. Okay, enjoy. Hey guys, just a side note, just to let you know, I am not a professional. I am not a professional. I am not a professional. My parting and the cleanliness or the cleanliness of my hair, this is as clean as it's going to get. I have different hair texture everywhere, so this is as clean as my parting is going to get. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to get alerts. And of course, I already know you guys like this video, so you might as well give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on my other social media outlets. All right, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.